Okay, solve this equation. This equation is quadratic form. For solving that, let's do the substitution. C squared equal u. Now this is double, this is u squared in minus 5u plus 6 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. In this case, easy by factorization, because I saw that the combination is 3 and 2. 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Negative of. Now the solution is u equal 3 and u equal 2. Okay, but I have to retrieve the original variable, you see. So now it's c squared is equal 3 and c squared equal 2. And this is a quadratic equation. The easy way is solving by square root. So z is equal plus or minus radical 3. Okay, radical square root here and here. C is equal plus or minus radical 2. Now the solution set is obvious. Solution set is radical 3, comma, negative radical 3, comma, radical 2, comma, negative radical 2. Okay, again this equation is quadratic. In 4. The substitution is u equal c to the cubic power. The u squared minus 152 u plus 3,375 equal to 0. Let's solve it by quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. A is 1, B is negative 152, and C is 3,375. Plugging in the quadratic formula is 152 plus or minus square root 152 square minus 4 multiplication by 1 multiplication by 3,375 divided by 2 times 1. Okay, now calculator. Okay, now 152 squared is, let me use the calculator. (152 power 2). 152 power 2 is 23,104 minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 3,375 is 13,500. Now subtraction. Subtraction is 23104 minus 13,500 is 9. Subtraction is 9,604. Okay, then so far we have 152 plus or minus square root 9604 divided by 2. Now let's see square root. Square root 9,604. 98. Entonces es 152 plus 98 over 2. plus or minus. Now I separate into part 152 plus 98 divided by 2 and 152 minus 98 divided by 2. So 152 plus 98 over 2 divided by 2. 125. And 152 minus 98 divided by 2. 27. Okay, therefore, so far we have U equal 155 and U equal 27. But this is not the value of the original variable is x. So I split the paper here, so we have C cubic equal 125 and C cubic equal 27. 27. Now square cubic root both sides, cubic root and cubic root both sides. C is equal cubic root 125 is 5, and cubic root here, and cubic root here. C is equal 3. Therefore, the solution set for this example is the solution set 5, 3. Okay, radical equation. Okay, then I isolate the radical part. Now square both sides is x plus 8 is equal, and you expand this using quifoil. Quifoil is a square first. Square first is x squared minus, because it's minus here, twice multiplication both 12 times x plus 12 squared. That is x plus 8 is equal x squared minus 24x plus 144. Okay, this is a quadratic equation. Let me try. This is x squared minus 24x plus 144 minus x minus 8 equal to 0. So x squared minus 25x, because 24 and negative 1 is 25, and 144 minus 144 minus 8 is 136 plus 136 equal to 0. I have a quadratic equation here. Let me solve it by quadratic formula, maybe, no? It's A1, B negative 25, and C 136. Okay, entonces 25 plus or minus square root 25, negative 25 squared minus 4 multiplication by 1 multiplication by 136 divided by 2 times 1. Calculate again. 25 squared is 625 minus 136 multiplied by 4 is 544. Now subtraction is 625 minus 544. 81. And the square root 81 is 9. This is 25 plus or minus 9 over 2. I separate into pieces. 25 plus 9 over 2. And 25 minus 9 over 2. This is 34 divided by 2, 17. And this is 25 minus 9 is 14, no? 25, no, 6, no. Minus 9, carry that 1 is 1, 15 is 6, 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay, so we have two potential solutions. You must check it because remember it's a radical equation. So far the solution is, let me copy here, 17 and 8. I need to check in this potential solution. Okay, let me erase this part. Check it for x equal 8. That's the first one. This is square root a plus 12 should be a plus a is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. 16 is completely different to a. This statement is false. Then the solution a doesn't work. Let's check in for 17. Check for x equals 17. Square root 17 plus 8 plus 12 should be equal to 17. 17 and 8 is 25. Square root 25 is 5. 17 is equal to 17. It's true. Now the solution is perfect. Conclusion. Solution set is 17.